So we got this through Amazon Vine program. This is a looks like a pre-made Ventily flash drive with 7, 10, 11 on it. I definitely do not recommend getting this, buying it at all. But for video's sake and chaos, why not yellow? But definitely do not recommend anybody buying anything like this. But I'm going to be testing it on a computer that I don't really care about, so fuck it. Why not? But, anyways, should be interesting next few days. What type of chaos this brings, so. But, anyways, to computers, coffee, and chaos. Toodles. Yeah, how do you stop?